Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, needless to say, sum up this story as shortly as possible. Mother Nature decided not to cooperate with a thing called spring and decided to hit North Florida, South Georgia with very cold weather. I am in a jacket. So this week we were supposed to go crappie fishing or speckled perch fishing, depending on where you're from in the country, and also try to catch some bass. But yeah, that turned out about like this. So as you can see, yeah, between the 1 to 2 foot swells and the 50-degree water temperature plus the 40-degree weather, it was a futile effort. So instead of video us fishing and catching a lot of crappie, which they would be on bait and they would perfect time to catch them is right now, enjoy this drone footage of the new drone that we got for the channel. So while you're enjoying that, we'll continue to plan out our next trip and what we are hoping to post next. So until the next one, guys, keep fishing.